Dr. Umesh, Consultant Chief Veterinary Retinal Surgeon, will enlighten the teachers and parents and child vision problems in the classroom. Screen and spot early warning signs at school. This session shall help the teachers intervene and guide the parents of the students if they feel that the child needs medical help ophthalmologically. Sir, the stage is yours.
Good morning all. Good morning all. Yes, मॉर्निंग में सब सो गए शायद. एनीवे तो अभी जस्ट ऑलरेडी डॉक्टर अपर्णा शालिनी मैडम ने बताया अपने को कि व्हाट आर द नीड्स ऑफ स्पेशल चाइल्ड, हाउ देयर बिहेवियर चेंज एंड व्हाट दे बिहेव समटाइम इफ दे आर नॉट वेरी इन ऑल गुड सेंस ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. जैसे अपने बॉडी में काफ़ी सेंस जो है, ऑल सेंसेस आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट, लाइक विजन सेंस हो गया, स्मेल सेंस हो गया, hearing sense, auditory sense. So what are the issues that are related to eye sense, especially vision से क्या related है, उसके बारे में just I want to brief you very in shortly. So next please. So why we are emphasizing more on vision? Why vision? Because यहाँ पे अपन जो भी बैठे हैं, if imagine the condition for 10 seconds we cannot see anything, then how things would look? So that this is seeing the world through the eyes of child is the purest joy of anyone that can enjoy. Next. So out of 100 sitting children here, 1 out of 4 is always that having some sort of eye problem. So to rectify that, we need some awareness. And who are with kids most of the time? Most of the time parents. And once kid enter into the school, responsibility of teacher, headmaster and our education institute to look after that. Most of the time तो otherwise children को दिखता ही नहीं है, तो पेशेंट बोलते हैं कि मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, उसकी एक्टिविटी हैम्पर होती है, so he cannot enjoy the beauty of life and cannot participate in the multiple activity in the school. Next. So what are the vision related issue? These are the some important issue. Main this is learning problem. School children, especially 5 to 17 year age group में from the primary standard, school age में बच्चों को बराबर दिखता नहीं है, तो that face difficult problem in learning problem and that lead to some poor academic performance. कभी कभी बच्चे को जो अच्छे रैंक आता है, कुछ पढ़ने की जो क्षमता रहती है वो कम होती है, तो उसमें जरा poor academic performance ये होता है. And then that also lead to some athletic performance deterioration. बच्चा बराबर खेल नहीं पाता है, अपने सोशल पीयर ग्रुप में मिल नहीं पाता है, कुछ एक्टिविटी स्पोर्ट्स में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं पाता है ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ दिस सीइंग एबिलिटी एंड डेवलपमेंटल डिले ऑफ कोर्स एंड बिहेवियर इशू. So early diagnosis and treatment for such condition is very important so that we can progress further loss of vision and can rectify to a great extent. Next. So here what are the common problem for eyes, especially in the children? And from birth to adolescence, there are multiple problems. We can divide into the age category, and that problem start from the birth. Especially nowadays, very premature terms, baby, those who are born and less than 38 weeks and birth weight less than 1.5 kg. So one condition called ROP, retinopathy of prematurity. There is a delayed development of retina that can lead to blindness. That is irreversible. So that is infant within 1 year. And then next problem come refractive error, especially age group of school. चश्मे का नंबर आना एक काफ़ी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है कि बच्चा बराबर दिख नहीं पा रहा है, आँख मल रहा है, बराबर चीज़ को दिख नहीं पा रहा है, रीड नहीं कर पा रहा है, बुक्स बहुत क्लोज देता है, टीवी के पास जाता है. तो दीज आर द कॉमन सिम्टम्स दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ दैट रिफ्रेक्टिव एरर. देन सर दिस क्रॉस आई, पेशेंट की बच्चे की आंख जरा तिरछी हो जाती है, बराबर एक आंख यूज़ नहीं होती है, एक आंख में नंबर रहता है या फिर नोटिस नहीं हो पाता है, तो आंख तिरछी दिखती है उस पर, तो उसके कारण क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ बराबर नहीं हो पाती है. देन थर्ड कम लेजी आई, समटाइम एक आंख जरा दूसरी तरह डेविएट होके उसका पावर बराबर नहीं होता, तो एक आंख में दिखता है, एक आंख में नहीं दिखता है. इंस्पाइट ऑफ पुटिंग ग्लासेस एंड इंटरवेंशन दैट बेबी मे नॉट एबल टू सी क्लियरली, तो उसको एम्ब्लियोपिया बोलते हैं और लेमन लैंग्वेज में लेजी आई. Then sometimes that intense, especially sports injury, basketball, football, cricket, and seasonal sports that can lead to sports sort of injury. And then cataract, especially congenital cataract or acquired cataract, and screen time. Nowadays, with COVID or due to advent of digitalization, most of the time we use our most time on screen only, maybe tablet, laptop, or mobile. So that is leading to digital eye strain. Next. So here I want to emphasize on how we identify the symptoms and why it is important and when to check child vision and learning related vision problem and how to rectify them. So here some picture are there, you commonly see why people are behaving like this. So you can see here, so sometimes that constant squinting on grimacing when reading or focusing. So baby may see the things very clearly, and just to see clearly, they put their books in front of eye, they make some different facial expressions, so that is one thing. And then holding the books close to the face. And then sometimes going to the near to the gadgets and television. Next. Sometimes they complain of blur vision and cloudy or double vision. Sometimes you may be seeing sometimes babies are complaining बहुत headache हो रहा है, बराबर सर दुख रहा है. That is a may cause of some refractive error. Then unusual sensitivity to light. Sometimes baby may feel very sudden glare. Things if we put some torch light or suddenly they enter into bright light this area. Then closing of eyes, one eye, to see the things very clearly. Sometimes you see, watch the baby see, close one eye to see the things very clearly. Sometimes this eye, sometimes this eye. So he may not able to see the things from one eye very clearly. Then cross or lazy eye. Baby को देखोगे तो एक आँख उनकी तिरछी दिखती है, particular position में right हो जाती है. So that is some symptoms. Then this is sometimes tilting of head. If कुछ baby को बराबर नहीं दिखता है तो बराबर देखने के लिए अपना head जरा तिरछा करते हैं. So this is one eye-related problem. And sometimes there is a lid-like swelling like this and constant rubbing of eye. आँख खुज जाती है, आँख रब करती है, तो that is sign of these things. So what we can do? We can do the things by vision screening and eye examination with paramedical worker, health worker, teachers, and doctor also. Next. So you can play the video. Here. Sound.
And then fourth will have the letter chart. And so they have to cover one eye at a time, and we usually just go through down it gets smaller and smaller, like the shapes or our letters. And we just go down, and if they can't see it, we just record it as it is.
And for these particular students are looking just to see if the children can see at a distance. We don't check for nearsighted. The nurse will do that.
Awesome.
These kids have all been trained by Prevent Blindness out of Rock.
So this was eye screening from the teachers in school. It is most of the time patient may not able to see the things very clearly with both eye. If he is seeing in one eye, he is very happy. He may not tell you I am having some problem. But if you are checking one eye with closed things, so you may find sometimes there is a difficulty in other eye. So always in school, as a teacher, we can ask kids to put one eye closed and just see the things in board, whether he is able to see clearly or not. Then what care should be taken to avoid all these things? Of course, proper refractive error examination. Then if any eye-related problem like allergy or redness, then we can treat with these things. If lazy eye, we can give patching therapy. And of course, there is a role of food that Dr. Sai Baba sir will tell us regarding the role of food in eye disorder. Next. So nowadays, and these things is worry to all parents. बच्चा बहुत कंप्यूटर में लगे रहता है, लैपटॉप में लगे रहता है, मोबाइल लेके ही सोता है. So what are the screen time? Number of hours we are spending by watching any content of any digital media is called as screen time. So what are the recommendations according to American guidelines? 0 to 2 year of child, there should not have any that screen time. But in a 2 to 5 year, we can have 1 hour per day. And then after 6 hours, depending upon the what requirement they are having. And how to avoid that, previous one. And there is a special rule, 20-20-20. We need to take 20 second of break after every 20 minutes of watching any gadget, and need to look 20 feet away from our distance to keep the eye in position. And proper position during this screen time is necessary. Next. And what are the recommendation and eye schedule when we need to do eye examination? And generally at birth, if babies are immature or premature, and then at 6 months, and second examination at the age of 3 years, and third at the age of entry of school 6 years, and then every year. And nowadays, vision problem in school kids in COVID situation due to shutdown of school, we are on digital platform. All classes are online through WebEx or webinar or Zoom classes. So what we are spending earlier 6 to 8 hours in school, now we are using in computer. So we need to take care of that, and we should not hamper outdoor activity with limited whatever protocol we have. We need to allow children to have outdoor playing things. Right. And suggestion to school health worker, parents, teacher, just because most of the time they are with kids, they can monitor the behavior of kids, and they need to send to the proper referral to doctor and paramedical worker to check their eyes annually and whenever they find any uncomfortable things. And before now, school will start. So what will be the checklist to go to the school? First is the eye examination, then rest of the things. And thank you. Care about your precious gift of sight. Thank you very much.